Hi, everyone. Welcome to my studio. I'm Ann Hine, embroidery software specialist for Janome America. And today I want to talk to you about installing your Artistic Digitizer software using your codes that you were sent in the mail for the free trial. You should have a link there or something that you can download and print out the instructions. And you want to keep the instructions on your computer. You want to print them, but you also want to keep them on your computer because there's a live link at the bottom of the page here. So I'm going to show you that and how that all works. So let me go over to my PC view so you can see that. Now, if you don't have those or you're watching this at a different time, you can come down here. This is the Janome webpage. You can search Janome Artistic Digitizer free trial. And then for your Windows users, you want to click here. If you are a Mac user, you would click here. And I did a separate video for our Mac users. So once I click there, it pops up back here and opens up that document I just showed you. And you could print it out, but you also want to keep it on here live because there's a link right here. And when you click on that link, it's going to, I'm going to say open because I can open it. It's going to start downloading right up here in this corner. All right, and it's going to take a little while to download, but I have one of them downloaded already, so I can show you that in my computer. So this here, when you download it, after you get done, you can click on it, and there'll be a folder here, and it will take you to your download folder. If not, you can go to your folder here and open that, and then go to your downloads right here, and then you'll find the zip file in this area here. Now, I already opened it a couple of different times, so it's not going to show right there. But what I did is I moved it to my desktop. So once I had it, I dragged it over here to desktop, and then it looks like this right there. All right. And so when it was here, I right clicked on it and said extract, and it extracted a folder that says Artistic Digitizer right here. So then I opened that folder. This is the exe file that will load your software. So you'll double click on that to get it going. Answer all the questions. The first one is the scary one. Do you trust this? And you want to say, yes, you trust it. At the very end, it's going to open up your software key window, and I'll open that for you. There we go. It's going to open this up, and you'll be putting your serial number and your activation code right here and hitting activate. And then go to back to your desktop, and you'll be able to find the icon here, and you can open your software. So I'm going to show you over on my computer over here on my Mac. I'm going to open it over here so you can see what it looks like when it opens. It's going to open up like this, and this is our welcome page. So some general things are here. You can pick your machine, brand, hoop, and model here, and your fabric choice. And I usually go with the non-normal fabric choice. Right here, create new takes you right into the workspace. All right, so let's do this, and we'll go back here. So if you have any questions or need any help with loading that once you get going, you can always find us over on the Janome Artistic Digitizer Facebook page. It's the one with the blue banner. We can answer all your questions over there. We have lots of help and support and lots of educational materials for you to use. So I wish you a lot of luck with your software. Watch for some other videos I'm putting out on quick things that you can do with the software. Bye for now, everyone. Have fun.